Welcome to the amazing Minoi hangar. My name is Darren and I'm here to introduce you to one of our aviation themed coffee roasts. We'll also have videos on our other roasts as well as different ways to brew and product reviews. Links to those videos will be in the description below. I want to just show you how simple, easy and fun it can be to brew a great cup of coffee. And of course, amaze your friends with your new barista skills. Well, just to give you a little bit of insight to Minoi, she's a vintage aerobatic biplane with roots in the 1930s and 40s. It's a fun plane full of adventure and exploration. Makes you feel just like you're Indiana Jones. One of the adventures that I had with Minoi was flying her out to Catalina Island, which is also referred to as the airport in the sky. And that is quite an amazing airport to land at. But for now, let me introduce you to Heavenly Body. This is a medium roast Guatemalan with hints of dark chocolate, bright fruit, and butterscotch. This is a SHB, which is a strictly hard bean, which means that it was grown above 3,900 feet. As for the Heavenly Body, the airplane, it was an actual B24 Liberator. This is a medium-sized bomber that holds the record for the most produced bomber. Unfortunately, Heavenly Body was forced to ditch in the North Sea due to engine failure on the 30th of March 1945, and unfortunately only 2 of the crew were rescued. However, the B-24 was a huge part of the war effort, and our striking labels pay homage to the nose art that was found on many of the World War II airplanes. It celebrates the crew both on the ground and in the air. We understand that quality and freshness is important. It's the basis for a great cup of coffee. Oh, that's an awesome cup of coffee, and I needed that. That's why we roast to order in small batches and ship directly to you. We appreciate the likes, subscribe to hear about all our other videos, and hit the notifications button so that we can notify you when a new video comes out. Remember, it's all about the coffee unless it's time to fly. And this morning it was a little bit cloudy out there, but the clouds have moved away and I could see a lot of blue sky. So Minoi is calling, so literally it's time for me to fly.